This video is going to tell you about the ways in which we plant at the garden. Often, the first planting we do in the soil is with a seeder. These are for vegetables such as carrots, beets, corn, beans, and peas. These seeds can be planted at the end of April or early May and will be okay with a bit of cold weather initially. Some vegetables like carrots must be seeded directly into the ground because their root systems are too delicate to deal with transplanting from the greenhouse. To use the seeder, you have to choose the correct disc plate and set the depth depending on the vegetable and what is instructed on the seed package. The disc plate will ensure the seeds are distanced properly throughout the row. Then you load the seeds into the basin and just push along the seeder in a straight line down the row. The chain in the back will cover the seeds with dirt to ensure they are at the proper depth into the ground. Potatoes are planted directly into the soil, and here we plant these by hand. They are planted around 6 to 8 inches apart and are dug into the soil. We do not have to put the potatoes as far down because the tractor will come along a couple weeks later to mound the potatoes and give them the depth they need. Another type of planting is transplanting the plants that we started in the greenhouse. We have already posted a video on seeding in the greenhouse, so check that out for more information. For these, we often first lay them out along the path in the correct distances for that vegetable. The distances vary greatly as onions and many flowers are planted 6 inches apart, while squash plants are spaced 3 feet apart. To transplant, first you dig a little hole and then gently place in the plant and cover lightly with dirt. It is important to not pat down the dirt as you will compact the plant and it will be more difficult for the roots to receive the necessary nutrients. It is also important that the medium is completely covered to prevent the plant from drying up. After any type of planting, it is important to water them in either through irrigation or, ideally, rainfall to eliminate air soil packets, settle the soil, establish root to soil contact, and prevent transplant shock. Stay tuned for our upcoming video on irrigation.